Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to film with the Juvias Place eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. I have almost never used it, so I decided to go ahead and use it today. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Please leave a thumbs up so I actually know somebody's watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.
Hey guys, very stressful couple days. It's actually pretty late today. That I'm filming pretty early in the day. Today I decided to film a little bit later. Not really decided, a little bit late. Husband's off today, so it was more of a needed sleep. I haven't been able to sleep when he's not home. So I was catching up with my regular catching up of sleep.
But yeah, so that is we're at my father-in-law. Just called. He got laid off. I feel like I'm just waiting for our governor to give us some more info. Like, you really think anybody's really going to be able to pay a mortgage this month? Like, unemployment takes like 3 weeks. No one could really afford it right now. And then on the other side, Trump wants to open up the country, and it's like, I could lose my house, but if I lose my life, then there's no point. So it's like, why are you, like, what's the rush? Money is nothing if you don't have the bodies for it. I don't know. Y'all. Alright. Enough sadness. I am blending out my eyeshadow primer. I'm using this one, guys. I got it in a BoxyCharm. I do love the P. Louise, but I'm just trying to finish this, and it's freaking taking me forever to finish, like forever. Alright, so I am going to use this Juvias Place eyeshadow palette. I don't think I've even ever filmed with it. I love Juvias Place eyeshadows. I think I literally just swatch it, and I've never actually put it to good use. I feel like you guys are either further away. There we go. That's better. So I'm gonna use this guy. Alright, so I am gonna go right into this orange shade. Applying that into the crease. Just do little circular motions back and forth. These eyeshadows are so pigmented, but they're so easy to blend out. I love it. So pretty. I am going to go into that shade right there. That one is actually going to go directly into my crease and putting my head a little bit upwards, like you really get in there, and doing little circular motions. Looks so good. I forgot how much I love Juvia's Place eyeshadows, since I tend to forget about them. But they're so affordable, and usually they're like 50% off. I don't think I've ever bought a palette from Juvia's Place on full price. This is true. Their website. They are literally always going on sale. And they are some of the best eyeshadow out there. I'm just applying a little bit more to each eye until it's pretty deep, because I am gonna want to be cut crease. I always cut my cut creases want to be cut crease, because I am no way an expert on cut creasing my own self. I can do it on other people, but when it comes to me, I really don't feel like I capture it properly. which I always, am I the only person, but I love how this looks by itself, like without doing anything else, like put some mascara on and go. I feel like this is cute. All right, it looks so pretty. I love it. All right, just kidding, I changed my mind. No cookies. So I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna put it on. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this shade right here, and I am going to apply it to the inner portion of my eyes, kind of like if I was doing a cut crease, but not really. I am using a nice dentist brush, and then I am also applying some towards the end of my eye, kind of doing like a halo kind of look. The halo is when the center is lighter and the two sides are darker. Alright, then I'm gonna go into this gold color here, and I'm gonna apply that directly to the center. Just like that. I'm not even wetting these shades, by the way. I'm just going right in. Just like that. And then I'm going to kind of make sure everything is blended in. There we go. Okay. And then back in. And just making sure everything is blended again, but not with a darker shade. There we go. Just like that. All right, and then I do want to go in with a smaller brush, and I'm going back into that purpley shade, and I'm going to kind of want to be cut crease it, but like just apply a little bit, just to kind of help intensify that crease. There we go. And then I'm going into that orange, not really going in, but I'm going with the brush that I use for that orange, and I'm blending that just to help it look a little bit more smooth. Alright, then I'm going in with a brush that doesn't have anything on it. You guys are probably sick of me saying this, and just kind of making sure there is no harsh edges. Going into that blue, applying that to the lower lashes to smoke it out. Such a pretty color. Alright, I'm going to apply my mascara and liner off camera. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao!